To recommit ourselves to protecting the environment and protecting our precious planet.
On one hand, there's a demand for clean energy that solar farms generate. On the other is protecting habitats
Homeowners took their concerns to the town planning board about the potential impact on their well water, wildlife habitat, and other ecosystems. Trees were cleared on a hilly section of this 30-acre privately owned property directly behind Lori and Bob Wallace's home.
And they started marking like an inner circle past the property line. So we thought something was really up, but we had no idea.
Many kids have written me over the last 23 months to implore me to, quote, do everything I can, end quote, to protect our state against climate change.
The Thompson project is one of 17 approved statewide by the Public Utilities Commission. Most are big solar projects.
Let them say that we did not wait to take every step possible to protect this precious planet, this precious place we call Maine. It's been 51 years since the first Earth Day was celebrated. We didn't get a chance to do much partying last year at this time, but you know, Earth Day is a chance for people worldwide to recommit ourselves to protecting the environment and protecting our precious planet.